We are Joe and Esther. Come with us while we grab coffee and go to our next road trip destination. We love to travel and experience nature, even if it takes us to places unknown. Ghirardelli Square in San Francisco is a destination where history, chocolate, and the charm of the waterfront come together. Located near Fisherman's Wharf, this former chocolate factory has been transformed into a lively plaza filled with shops, restaurants, and, of course, plenty of sweet temptations. On arrival, the sight of the iconic Ghirardelli sign against the backdrop of the bay instantly sets the mood for a quintessential San Francisco experience. The brick buildings retain their 19th century industrial charm, a reminder of the square's long-lasting connection to the city's heritage. The centerpiece of any visit is, naturally, the Ghirardelli ice cream and chocolate shop. Stepping inside, you're greeted by the rich aroma of cocoa, and it's nearly impossible to resist ordering one of their famous sundaes topped with freshly made hot fudge. Whether it's a classic banana split or the indulgent earthquake sundae meant for sharing, the experience is much about savoring the flavors as it is about enjoying the warm, nostalgic atmosphere. Beyond the chocolate, Ghirardelli Square offers boutique stores, wine tasting rooms, and art galleries, making it a place to linger and explore. From the outdoor terraces, visitors can take in sweeping views of the San Francisco Bay, with Alcatraz Island and the Golden Gate Bridge often visible on a clear day. Visiting Ghirardelli Square is more than just a shopping trip. It's a taste of San Francisco's history and an opportunity to indulge in its sweeter side. Whether you're there for a quick treat, a leisurely afternoon, or a photo with the iconic sign, the square offers a blend of nostalgia and flavor that leaves visitors smiling long after the last bite of chocolate.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.